I just built this AI app where I can upload my logo and instantly see it placed on product mockups like mugs, t-shirts, and phone cases, and I built this in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. And this is just one of 5 hidden Google AI tools that most people don't even know exist. These tools are so powerful they can easily replace paid apps that cost $20 to $50 per month, and they're all completely free. So in this video, I'm showing you all 5 tools and exactly how to use them. Let's dive in. Alright, so the first tool is AI Studio Build. You can access this at aistudio.google.com. This is where Google releases their experimental AI models, and it has this incredible feature where you can describe any app idea in plain English and it will code it for you. Here's how it works. Go to the left sidebar and click the Build button. That opens up a window where you describe what you want. I told it, create an app where I can upload my logo and see it placed on product mockups like mugs and t-shirts. Add an option to upload target products as well. And watch what happens. AI Studio starts planning the structure, writing the code, and building the interface in real time. Look at what it created. A fully functional product mockup generator. I can upload my logo here, upload product images, and the app automatically places my logo on those products with proper positioning and scaling. This is insane. You can use this to build landing pages, client portals, internal tools, basically any web app you can think of. And it's completely free. The second tool is Pomeli, and this one acts like an AI marketing agency. What it does is scan your website, analyze your brand colors, fonts, and messaging, and then automatically create social media campaigns that match your brand perfectly. To access it, just search for Pomeli Google Labs. Once you're there, it asks for your website URL. You paste your website link, and Pomeli starts building a complete profile of your brand. Look at this. It captures the exact color codes, identifies your fonts, understands your brand voice, and even figures out your target audience. Then it automatically generates campaign ideas specifically for your business. You can click into any campaign and see ready-to-use social media posts with the correct branding, colors, and copy. But here's the powerful part. You're not limited to these suggestions. You can give Pomeli custom prompts like create a campaign for a holiday sale or generate posts for a product launch, and it builds exactly what you need. This is perfect if you run a business and struggle with creating consistent social media content. The graphics might not win design awards, but they're professional, on-brand, and good enough for most marketing campaigns. One quick note. Pomeli is currently only available in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, so if you don't see it yet, that's probably why. The third tool is Gemini Canvas, and this one is wild. It's built right into the main Gemini interface, and it can turn sketches and drawings into working apps. Here's how it works. Let's say you sketch an idea on paper, maybe a simple event sign-up form or a product configurator. You take a picture of that sketch, upload it to Gemini Canvas, and ask, can you code this app? And Gemini analyzes your drawing, understands what you're trying to build, and starts writing the code. You can see the code on the left, and on the right, there's a live preview building itself out in real time. Within minutes, you have a functional app. And if you want to make changes, you can just keep prompting Canvas with specific instructions like make the buttons bigger or add a drop-down menu, and it updates everything instantly. This is a game changer for anyone who has ideas but doesn't know how to code. You can literally go from a napkin sketch to a working prototype without hiring a developer. The fourth tool is Nano Banana Pro, Google's image generation model, and it's also built directly into the Gemini interface. To access it, open a fresh chat, click Tools at the bottom, and select Create Images. Let me try this prompt. Product photography of a luxury smartwatch on a dark matte surface. Dramatic side lighting creating strong shadows. Minimal composition with dark moody atmosphere. Professional studio lighting, high-end commercial photography style. Give it about 10 to 20 seconds to process. And here's what we get. Look at this quality. The lighting is dramatic with those professional shadows. The dark aesthetic looks like high-end product photography. The watch details are sharp and realistic. The overall mood matches what I asked for. That moody, premium feel you see in luxury brand campaigns. One thing to note here is that Nano Banana is also available in AI Studio with more advanced controls like temperature settings. but for most use cases, accessing it directly in Gemini is the easiest way. It's perfect for creating product mockups, social media graphics, pitch deck visuals, or anytime you need high-quality marketing assets without hiring a photographer or designer. And the fifth tool is multi-speaker audio generation in Google AI Studio. This creates studio-quality audio with multiple voices having natural conversations. While platforms like 11 Labs charge $20 to $40 a month for this, Google offers it completely free. Go to aistudio.google.com, click Home on the left sidebar, and open the speech interface. You'll see two options, single speaker or multi-speaker. Click multi-speaker. Now I can create a podcast-style conversation. Let me make a quick intro where two hosts discuss these Google AI tools. Now for the style instructions, I'll set speaker A as curious and conversational and speaker B as enthusiastic and energetic. Hit run and in about 30 seconds, I have studio quality audio.
So today, we're diving into something pretty exciting. 5 free AI tools from Google that most people don't even know exist.
And here's the crazy part. These aren't just free alternatives. Some of them actually outperform the paid tools people are spending $30 to $50 a month on.
Listen to that. The voices sound natural, the pacing is conversational, they're responding to each other dynamically. This sounds like a real podcast recording, and I can just download the file and use it anywhere. This opens up so many possibilities. Podcast intros, explainer videos, training materials, audiobook demos, all without expensive voice actors or recording equipment. So there you have it, 5 hidden Google AI tools that can replace expensive paid alternatives. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more free AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.